everyone, welcome to The Percussioner. You're in the Rudiment series, and today we are graduating to the last division topic category of rudiments, and those are drag rudiments, all right? We are on number 31, the drag or the ruff. I mean, we used to call it the ruff. It's also called a drag. Either way, it's a rudiment that's very similar to the flam. As you can see, there are two tiny little grace notes before the main note. And a flam has but one tiny little grace note, right? It's just that, right? Remember, we put the grace note close to the head, we have our main note at the volume we need to play, and then we drop them at the same time. With a drag or ruff, we're simply going to make this grace note worth two notes. If you focus just on the grace note, here's flam, drag. Flam, drag. Flam, drag. We're simply dropping it from a really low height in front of our main note. And the main note is right in time. Okay, we're going to take a look at two simple exercises. First, we're going to play flams and then follow them with drags so that we can just get that idea of that spacing. And then we'll do a drag exercise just like the flam where we worked it down from 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, which is a really fun way to do it. Okay, let's start with a real simple focus on turning flams into drags. We're just going to do this for just a second before we get into that 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, the countdown exercise. This is quarter note equals 50. We're going to focus on really just allowing that grace note to turn from one note to two notes while our right hand stays the same, all right? So we're going to start with just the right hand. 1, 2, here we go, and 1, 2, 3, 4, flams, 1, 2, 3, 4, drags, 2, 3, 4. Now nothing, 2, 3, 4, drag, or flams, sorry, 3, 4, and drags, 2, 3, again, right, nothing, 3, 4, flams, 2, 3, 4, drags. One more time, 2, 3, 4, flams, and drags. Now we're going to switch to the left hand. And left hand with nothing. 3, 4, flam, 2, just dropping, drag. Nothing. 3 and 4, flam, 2, 3, 4, drag. Nothing, flam, last time, flam, drag. Very, very good. That's just a really good way to sort of get the concept, right? You have the flam has one grace note, and then the drag with two grace notes has to happen in the same amount of time. One thing I hear a lot of when people are first starting off drags, me probably as well, was becomes a rhythm. And what we're trying to kind of avoid is too much of a rhythm, right? It's just an embellishment. We talk about the term embellishment. This is still the main important note. Okay? let's go ahead and do the exercise similar to the flam exercise, where we count it down until we're alternating ruffs, drags. I'm always forgetting which one to say. Ruffs or drags. And this will be a good exercise to do. Let's get started on that. Okay, we're going to start at quarter note equals 40 with an eighth note subdivision. We'll be playing eighth notes. And remember, we're counting down 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 until we're alternating back and forth, right? Really focus on keeping your main hand right with the beat and the drag happening just before it. One, two, here we go. And right, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Left, and 2, and 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, and 2, 3, 4. Very good. Very good. It's always good to do this exercise back to back. Do the flam exercise, then do the ruff exercise immediately following it. Let's go ahead and move on up to quarter note equals 50. 1, 2, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2, 3, 4. Very good. This is quarter note equals 60. 1, 2, here we go. And right, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7. 5, 6. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, and 2, and 3, and 4, and. There we go. Let's move that to quarter note equals 70. 1, 2, here we go. Left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1. Very good. It actually gets really fun alternating back and forth. I sort of like that motion. Let's go to quarter note equals 80 now. 1, 2, here we go. Very good. Let's go up one more time. Quarter note equals 90. 1, 2, here we go. Very good, very good. Keep working on those. Keep your hands relaxed. Remember, we did look at that exercise with the flam where we were doing little note, big note, little note, big note, little note. You could do the exact same thing with ruffs where you did a double tap, double tap. Okay. So maybe play around with that, work on your hands doing the little drag and then the big main note. And then we're gonna take off. We've got 9 more rudiments to go and they're all drag based and they are super fun. Talk to you soon. See ya. Okay, as always, if we can, we'll go a little bit faster. This is quarter note equals 100. 1, 2, here we go.